Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 2023, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this Infinix. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to access Special Function. Now click on Xclone and click on this sweater next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone, in my case Facebook. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete your app, you can hold it and select uninstall, or go into exactly the same settings and tap on the same no green sweater next to it. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!